Hello natural hair lovers, welcome to Ivy's Naturals. On this channel you would learn DIY treatments, natural hair growth tips for your natural hair. So let's get right into this video. Today we'll be making this very popular style called 7-7. First, you want to make sure your pattern is so neat and clean, and we'll be doing a twist. You can decide to make yours braid, but in this video what we have here is twist. Let me know if you'll be trying out this particular hairstyle in the comment section. You can make it as an adult, you can also make for your kids, yes. And when doing this on your natural hair, you must understand the importance of moisture in our natural hair. If your hair is not well moisturized, you're going to have a very dry hair and it will be prone to breakage. This is Ivy's mom, and I've been able to grow my daughter's hair to this length you're seeing now through various DIYs, natural hair treatments I will be sharing on this channel. You do not want to miss it. Kindly do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you'll be the first to receive every video I will be posting here. Yes, there's no gatekeeping here because I will let you in every single step and treatment you need for your hair. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video till the very end. You can also drop your hair concerns in the comment section and I'll attend to it all. Another thing you can do is comment the videos you would like to see me post, and I will sure make you happy by doing that to clear every doubt you might have. If you have watched this video till this moment, Ivy and I appreciate you so much. We're almost done with half of the hair and we're about going into the main reason why this hair is called 7-7. There's always this joy when you're making the very last part of your hair, though this is not the last part, but then the last part of this first phase. Watch closely to see how we'll make the 7-7